Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 4 inverse trigonometric function. Exercise 4.4 question number 2. Find the value of tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. In this case we will use principal values of tan inverse and secant inverse. For secant inverse we can use the reciprocal cos inverse. So principal value of sin inverse x lies between minus 90 to plus 90 closed interval. Cos inverse x is 0 to pi closed interval. For tan inverse x minus 90 comma plus 90 open interval. See tan inverse of root 3. In tan theta root 3 will come at 60 degree. So pi divided by 3 minus secant inverse whose reciprocal is cos inverse. It gives minus 1 by 2. Pi by 3 minus cos theta negative in the second quadrant. Cos theta negative in the second quadrant. Okay, it lies here. So cos inverse minus half will come 60 degree. Okay, so pi minus pi by 3. So cos theta, cos inverse of minus half, cos theta negative in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. So pi minus angle. What is 1 by 2 will come at 60 degree. So pi by 3. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos pi by 3 gives minus 1 by 2. Got it? So take this minus inside. Pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 3. So when you take LCM 3, 1 pi multiply minus 3 pi plus pi. Okay. So it gives 2 minus 3 minus pi by 3. Got it? Very simple. For tan inverse root 3 it gives 60 degree. Secant inverse whose reciprocal is cos inverse. Minus 2 reciprocal minus 1 by 2. Cos theta negative in second quadrant. So 180 minus angle. Cos theta gives 1 by 2 at 60 degree. So pi minus 60 degree. When you multiply minus inside minus pi plus pi by 6. When you simplify minus pi by 3. Is it clear? Same question number, second option. We have sin inverse of minus 1 plus cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus cot inverse of 2. Sin inverse of minus 1. So sin theta negative fourth quadrant minus pi by 2. What is sin minus 90? Minus sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So minus 1. Cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos theta 1 by 2 will come at 60 degree. So pi by 3. Cot inverse 2 whose reciprocal is tan inverse. 2 reciprocal 1 by 2. In tan, I am not getting 1 by 2 in the standard degree. So, I cannot write anything like this, like 30, 45, 60, 90. So that I will write cot inverse 2 as it is. So, what is this? 60 minus 90 minus 30 plus cot inverse 2. Is it clear? 60 minus 90 is minus 30 plus cot inverse 2. Very simple. Sin inverse of minus 1. For sin theta, minus theta will come. 1 will come at 90 degrees. So minus 90. Cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree gives 1 by 2. So 60 degree. In this case, cot inverse 2. Whose reciprocal is tan inverse of 1 by 2. In case of tan, in standard degree, we cannot get 1 by 2. Okay, whether 0 or 30 or 45 or 60, 90. Between this range, this 1 by 2 for tan, which is not in a standard degree. So I will write this cot inverse of 2 as it is. 60 minus 90 is minus 30 plus cot inverse 2. Is it clear? Same question, third option. Find the value of cot inverse 1 plus sin inverse minus root 3 by 2 minus secant inverse minus root 2. Cot inverse 1 whose reciprocal is tan inverse 1. And this is sin inverse minus root 3 by 2 and whose reciprocal is cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. Here cot inverse whose reciprocal is tan inverse 1 reciprocal 1. Here sin inverse I wrote directly. For secant inverse whose reciprocal is cos inverse and the reciprocal of minus root 2 is minus 1 by root 2. Tan theta 1 will come at 45 degree. So pi by 4. Sin inverse minus, so minus theta root 3 by 2 will come 60 degree. So pi by 3. Sin minus pi by 3 gives minus sin pi by 3. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2 with minus. So minus pi by 3. Minus cos inverse negative will come 180 minus angle, that is 45. Cos theta negative in second quadrant, 180 minus angle, 1 by root 2 will come at 45 degree. Okay, so pi minus 45. So this is pi by 4 minus pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 4. Okay, when you take LCM, 12 will come. Multiply 3, multiply 4, multiply 12, multiply 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 12, minus 10 pi by 12. So when you simplify, minus 5 pi by 6. Got it? Okay. See, cot inverse 1, which is nothing but tan inverse 1, it gives 45 degree. Sin inverse minus root 3 by 2. For sin negative value minus theta, it will be at 60 degree, so minus 60 degree. Secant inverse reciprocal cos inverse. Cos inverse value negative means second quadrant 180 minus theta. 1 by root 2 will come at 45 degree, so 180 minus 45. When you simplify, finally we are getting minus 5 pi by 6. Is it clear? So in all the cases, you want to know the principal value of sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. So the principal value of sin inverse lies between minus 90 comma plus 90 closed interval. Cos inverse is 0 to pi closed interval. For tan inverse, x is minus 90 comma plus 90 open interval. Is it clear?